Some people smoke weed to make sense, but you smoked to make senseless arguments. Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GHS so wo frame me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo Ghana fo bi eno mo atoto mo emfa ne se enkra anaso mo akekọ mo adwen de amane Black Raster a oye political talk show. Na denti na Ghana for akekọ mo adwen de actually Black Raster. Black Raster His Excellency the former Vice President Dr. Bawumia liar. Na yeti nsema Black Raster etu dwane meti reply Ghana for being so amano for calling former Vice President Dr. Bawumia liar.
Interesting. Bawumia's ADC's house raided. Who is Bawumia? That's Bawumia, the former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. He was the king of lies in his tenure of office. He was crowned the king of lies in our country. He told the country so many lies. Little did he know that those lies were going to come biting him back. And when he was looking for the mandate to be president,
Ebusuafo ensem way na Black Raster etu dwenam so Ghana fo bi so ebuafu omo edisende ewone so. Na ebusuafo Black Raster no, personally I like him because sometimes I saw kind of carry be about certain things. But Black Raster, we are hypocrite. When it comes to the issue of NPP for Nasawo Kasa, you open your mouth to insult them anyhow. They are very idiot, they are stupid. You say these things to NPP for no. But when it comes to NDC for na, can say say me power chow any DM na say wo fra asem ntoma. On your show, catch ura osafo manfo. Who so where the beer man say na dwen adwuma wo say oye bi idiot to say bibisa in the name of say oka say foreigners no ba be galamsey no. Omo prosecute omo ide no benya. But interior minister honorable Muntakase and the obey galamsey na so much omo deport wo kokrum. E wa bra I shall one was one here nanim na no tun na abom. Omo che na omo deport no. Say how dare you say America on be deporting. Was also abaga was also America. Now una we now you're president and now you're minister and now you're Dangote and now you're one or we are one and on be deporting fee America obesan so alcohol and so I shall one deporting in 3 days not has a wife in any Muntaka so on be deporting on no more that is a Ghana no deport you below our borders no more cruise nana omo mu jan no do na pakakra ma obesan so be Ghana ha she's on say yes as and on deport on no more just like that and no Black Raster sees nothing about such if I say me di na ma akodi atem comment way and as some way if you honorable Muntaka one of your friends and politicians on more Ghana have respect no me I demand so much honorable Muntaka as such statement if you need to is a Ghana de zoma yebe yenti nsema Ghana fonso ama Black Raster. Way Kelvin James and I say mention one lie from Bawumia and I went so frenzy and I say Massa, you are a liar, foolish idiot. And I went so Budu and I say some people smoke weed to make sense, but you smoked to make senseless arguments. Okay, and I went so Mustafa and I say I hope and pray that a fool like you will accept the same style when NPP wins power in the future. Try to think like a human being, even after smoking your herbs. And I went so justice and what you say. We all saw how useless and empty you are on PAO show. Stop the weed smoking. Okay, and same way, and as I reply when I Ghana for be I'm a Black Raster. Black Raster no Canadian former Vice President Dr. Bawumia no munti minjina because and some na Black Raster can lay your
cocaine chamusabri. So I'm a cocaine chamu. It's all no one kakra.
Do you believe in that cocaine issue?
Oh yes, me believe pa. Also much cocaine binasia almost $350 million. Ten do be a dispute. Sa Japamo AIB almost no baby, almost moko chibi $150 million street value. Any fake dollars in that. And you know,
and you fake.
How can it be a cocaine good in China dollar or a dollar be fake? Why so want to that? Cocaine is cocaine. They move dollar and they fake. What we are dollar no? So eti kwame bakuya omnabisita maki ya omobetukui
Ahmed as well.
Ahmed. Now what be that? You say the tire bejo. You for tire free baby diaba. Near the banner the ambulance the tire ambulance or the tire baby. Sa the man as a me and a man as a mother when to be that. Nemum omuna wa ba me ni aba mobi. Nemum ye de mo kan on ye tie ne de kwa dwidwim. E de kwa dwidwim akwa me bibi e de na se za de ro. Yesi ni. Ah I know I said American be yes me new aba the work president for my prime minister.
Joyce Bawumia.
Vice president. Yes, so be sue abroad. Say abroad akaka said or get 95,000 cedis a man. Now it miss you be for 95,000 cedis. Now Oscar would do on 95,000 cedis a week. Because back hand back
25,000.
It be 25,000 be $50,000. Now, for assume say Kwame, let's assume say without admitting said your work and go no correct. So be touching tax men for receiving that gift. We declare way.
Oh, these are old bags. All these are old bags that people share with me.
Kwame, what the fun assuming without admitting. Say I'm say I want to be touching.
Just ask them crowd nipa and now when
the tax men will tell
and this is what original tata them and I'm in them here same copy on us.
I saw tax because a gift and I will receive. It is coming. I only ask some class or the above near more one can not me tia bronye na walk can is not being smart politician. Nese who could tabak also the cocotte. Nakebe wama. There's a must be no Kurumano. But you know, you shouldn't. When you know, Sandy Yena Sama, many say, oh, yeah, it's not happening to your mama. In fact, your mama said, a moment in the Kufino said you want to know 110 penting. But one at the end, you know, M1 because they go for Bio Masarandona, they're not helping him. Ebi na na kufado ya ebi angofo bi ye bi no mo kache no ontie mo kache no ontie ebi ase no osoro bi bounding tray say on nyam wura ni fie o da say but to be in the next time mo fie
adebi na fake news
so am for ko ni fie
no mo say ba mo panye se yen ko hwe kufado traveling expenses ni mo na no tie twetwelu pre no but am say fake.
Okay.
There's no point discussing.
That's it. Because I quite know what one with the Ebenant so. Come about to be Ebenant so. Was said to the say, you said your mama say, Namena donors to 24 years in New Year. I saw to me and I just say, you told me another Japabiso. I also be to a ball run fee. Now, Niniam Ibrahim, so to a ball run fee.
No, but if you are saying these are practices, why would you want to repeat?
And that be so as to poor. Okay, said they make catch and make come and at yes, say, Omo Munya is I say Muno, Omo Mania, a daho, because we are the Guinea piano, also be so for. Okay, now say Bank of Ghana governor, no, Office on your for, or out of 4 80 Dodja no. Any sub police in the be acquired on ADC. Or next, you know, say, you got trouble. Come last time, got you say, MPP Lusu election. As the for the can view. But next election, then to remember that. Yeah, me come for so apology now, Kaweza, as you from Dosupa. I said, Cremofo Mokumo Sopa.
Yeah.
So the upper Osha, one of us will come for the 16% or more than dorsal papa. Nagana, a boy to make member figures. So we come before no more Krumano. We are checking good time a year actually. We are. Yan Twaddy. Muse, actually, we are no Tino, Ubia and Twaddy and Twaddy. There's a percentage of your day. A Friday. They come focus on Montoaba. Now, I will not do free or Mosaidino. The business was also. So, also now. As you for ne momo e som memenda no omo ye bebrebe say Christo for no say omo ye 100 you also have about let's say 20% of them omo worship on Saturdays omo so ankoto aba because ya na fu say SDA ne ye say 7-day Adventist no go so also fu no try na ho no on very say
we refined
ni pitch the bi no okuajimai okuajimai or something like that
try na ho
o pitch to me try no park no so kwame dem pitch do bit me follow the bomb at least one more tibia no that jeju ani na ko baby now ya rutum de na ni ko for no so instrumentals more the mom so go more there where the GG and you na obi no come tina no power ba se ma ye kana asisi na wasre bia ana oti osofo na no wasre bia na wa wofa Ebenezer akwamu anopa e besi mutim se enkomo nketekete wajaya na
manje
ada wonyini ntrana kwame mama kan ko so obe ye radio adwuma no
yeah
ade ma ye popular pa
oh yes ngoman ketekete that was the peak
chino kwame mso ya revisit because unim anopa no na e body power
yeah
the body papa
come on that's a company ya said ya on social media
that be you was senior
anyway
it kwame I want to say there
o adam for Zuba and I never came
me bone money trinkwa o say Zuba there we kuma senior kwa wonu there wonu problem ni no ho na ni edin but na ni edin fa ne ma baso nti wonu there me fi say me kuma so for no manya post ni there I'm so happy for them.
Okay.
Kuma so for no manya post sa young maya no regional minister I'm so happy also we me say I'm a matter